Hello everyone, welcome to my project ideas channel. Today we will learn how to make a programming ATtiny85 with Arduino Uno. So let us begin. For this we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, an ATtiny, this is the polarized capacitor, two LEDs and two resistors with these connecting wires. So now let us see how to connect this. So first of all we have connected this polarized capacitor's positive terminal to the reset pin of the Arduino, this negative terminal to the grounding, this LED's anode terminal to this resistor's second terminal in this way as well similarly, and this resistor second terminal with this 5-volt power supply inside the Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this ATtiny with the Arduino. In this there are total 8 terminals. Now over here we will connect this power terminal of the ATtiny with the 5-volt supply of this Arduino Uno. Then second is PB01, 001 and 2. This we will be connecting with this pin number 4, 5 and 6 of this Arduino Uno respectively. Next one is the grounding pin that we will be connecting to the G and that is the grounding pin of the Arduino Uno. Now two pins are left. First is the PB4 and PB3 that will be connecting to this cathode terminal of the LED. And this is the PB5 pin that also will be connecting to the 2 number pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how the code will be done. So this is our short and sweet code for this. First of all, we have initialized two variables, namely LED blue and LED green. As you can see over here, these are the two LEDs, blue and green. And this is the 3 and 4. Why we have initialized? We have initialized it as 3 and 4 because you can see over here, we have connected it to this 3 and 4 pin of the LED. Now, after this, we have used two functions. First is the void setup function, and the second one is the void loop function. In the void setup function, we are using both of these, that is LED blue and green pin for the output purpose. In this void loop function, what we are doing is, first of all, we are making this blue, we are providing power to this blue LED high, and at the same time green low for 500 milliseconds. The delay function will decide how much time this will be done. And after this 500 milliseconds, we are exchanging this thing. That is blue, we are providing low and green high. So now let us see how actually it will work. So for this, I am clicking in the start simulation. As you can see, one after the other, each LED is blinking. It looks nice, right? Hope you will like it. Thank you.